Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nature Dazzle. In the last video, you saw us exploring Pavagadh Hills and Nazarmatha Waterfall. And today, we are heading out to explore Nazarmatha Waterfall. But before that, just take a moment . We have parked our unicorn near a school and now we are heading towards Nazarmatha Waterfall through this trail. So you will have to come along with us on the same path. Let's go. So from here, we have to go down this trail and then we will reach to the Nazarmatha Waterfall. So friends, this is Nazarmatha Waterfall. Right now, there's less water because the rainfall has decreased. But still, this place looks absolutely beautiful. We have just explored Nazarmatha Waterfall, but now I am not going to reveal what's next. Stay tuned with the Nature Dazzle.